Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pin the recycle bin into the Windows 11 taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to create a shortcut, and by that, please do a right click and then scroll down and go with new and select on shortcut. Once you're done, this window would appear where you can create a shortcut, and this window would ask you what item would you like to create a shortcut for. Now here, under the type the location of the item, you need to proceed at the description box below. I'll be pasting a command path there or a command text. All you need to do is you need to copy it. So please paste the first command, which is percentage SystemRoot percentage / explorer.exe space shell colon recycle bin folder. Once you're done, click on next and here, type a name for the shortcut. You need to name that recycle bin. Once you're done, please click on finished. So this new shortcut would be created. However, the icon might be similar to the file explorer. So we need to change the completely or the overall look of that. And we need to do a right click, go with properties. You can also press Alt and Enter key together. And by that, you would be able to bring up the small window. Here, click on changed icon. And please proceed with the second path, which is this. Okay? Control C to copy and paste it here at the address bar. Control V to paste. Once you're done, click on OK and it will show you all of the icons that you can select to. You need to look for recycle bin. Okay, we need to locate for it. So I can see it here. You can select it and the moment you have selected it, click on OK, click on apply and then OK. Now we have just successfully changed the icon of our recycle bin as well. So this is great. So the next thing that we need to do, which is the main goal of this video, is to pin the recycle bin to our taskbar. So by that, please do a right click, go with this option called show more options, click on it, and we just have to wait until an options will be shown here in a new window. So now it's here. Please proceed with pin to taskbar, click on it. And the moment you do that, you just have to wait until it will be pinned successfully in our taskbar. So I can see tip being pinned here. So tap the net and check if it's working. Here we go. We can now see all of the recycle bins, the file folders that are being placed in the recycle bin. And by that, you can easily restore them. You can also restore all items and you can also restore the selected items. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.